Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the custom knife factory MKAD Empat knife here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because I think it's pretty cool. And we can just start undoing this guy. I think we're gonna need a T8 and a T6. So let's start with the T6, which I have right. No, that's T7. Where is it? Got it here. That's T6. Let me see if I got it right. Yeah, that's T6 for the handle number 1 and another T6 for the handle screw number 2. Carbon fiber inlay is out. You have, look at that, pretty extensively skeletonized titanium liner going on over here. You have one screw, then you have another screw, and another one to keep your handles together, like so. Here you go. Change to a T8, open a little bit, unscrew the pivot like so. Backspacer is falling off, and just keep it pinched. That's your pivot. That's your gorgeous black backspacer, and wiggle a little bit, just be gentle like so, and this is gonna pop open. Blade is out. You've got to check these multi-row bearing system. We can take alcohol swab like one of these guys to clean it up like so. Not much to clean up, this is a brand new one, but just let's see if we can do something. Look at this, multi-row ceramic ball bearings in action. We're gonna try to get out of this knife the best action it can provide, because it checks all the boxes. You know, ceramic multi-row bearings, stainless steel hardened washers, pockets, like bearing pockets. Look at this, nicely done. Still needs to wear in, still needs to break in. So this backspacer is pretty cool. It's nicely done for sure. And that is pretty much it. We can just maybe clean up a little bit the inside if you want. Yeah, and done, guys. This is pretty straightforward. We're gonna do 10 weight nano oil, 1, 2, and 3, and then your blade is in like so. And then the second multi-row bearing is right there, plastic cage though. And then don't forget the backspacer like this, and you've got your scale which goes on top of that. So now align the whole of the backspacer so that you can just place your screws in, and then you go with the T6, which is right over here, to tighten these 3 guys up. 1, 2. So just release the tension here, like so. I forgot the heavier weight nano oil in the, so let me do, yeah, in the detent ball ramp, detent ball, sorry. And this screw is in, Don't over tighten this, just make sure it's tight. Don't need to overdo anything. So that is done. Okay, that's cool. Now, scale in. Also T6 needed. These screws are blacked out. Nice. They're not titanium, as you can see. Good. Change back to the T8. Pivot is in. Okay. So nice tolerances, guys. Let's just try to crank this guy down. I'm not gonna use any Loctite because I think that's fine. Just that micro heavier weight nano oil just for the tag of the blade. Wow, nice sound. Very smooth. It's a little bit tight, I think. Blade is centered. Ooh, wow. Guys. Let me tell you. Just clean this guy up. Let me tell you. The action. Ooh. Wow. It's wow. Really pleasant. Great sound. Oof. Guys, this is smooth. Oh, this is smooth. It needs a wiggle because you see it doesn't fall, but it's a gliding, controlled, closing action. Guys, I'm telling you, fantastic. Look at that. No, it doesn't work like that. No. But a gliding and controlled action is what I love. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.